Hi, I'm just making some supper and I'd like you to join me. I'm making a Buddha bowl. Buddha bowls have been around since around 2013, so you probably heard the name. But it's also called a nourishing bowl, a macro bowl, or a poke bowl. Poke is when they add fish or some meat to it. There's some certain elements to a Buddha bowl. There's always a grain, so it could be a grain like a rice, or it could be wheat berries, something like that. And there's always a protein component, and tonight I'm going to be using beans. And then it's layered in a pretty way into a bowl so that it has an eye appeal. I'm going to be mixing up a tahini dressing, and I'll show you how I'm going to make my Buddha bowl. Okay, so here I've got some black rice. I've got some veggies that I did in my air fryer. Parsley, cucumber, beans, radish. I've got some pickled red cabbage, and I've got some sauerkraut. And for my dressing, I've got some tahini, I've got some white miso, and I've got some ginger. I've got lemon juice, and I've got some soy sauce. So I'll get these going. I might have to thin this down a bit, I'm not sure. I'm going to link the recipe below. It's one of the Forks Overnight Buddha bowls, and you'll be able to follow that recipe there. So, in my blender, has a real nice consistency. I'm going to put it into a plastic squirt bottle. I love the tahini dressing. It's my favorite. I think the total for this entire dish is going to be about maybe 4 points, and that'll be because of the dressing. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to add in my black rice. I did a video on black rice. I'll see if I can find that and share that with you. This is 0 points. Some veg. And by the way, Buddha bowls are generally served cold. This is a real quick red cabbage pickle. See, I'm layering it in so that my colors are not all the same together. I love these beans, they're my favorite. Some fermented cabbage rolls. That was one of the other elements to the Buddha bowl. It has to have something in it that's fermented. So I've got some sauerkraut here. And this is my supper tonight. I think I've got everything in there now. So I'm going to put on my dressing. And I'm going to top it with a bit of chopped parsley. Thank you for joining me. My name's Jill. Bon appetit.